Hello everyone, I'm Yazan from the Accord project team. Um, in this video, we will explain about one of our tools, which is called Accord RASE Automation. Honestly, this tool is used to convert the regulation text into specific format, which is YAML, using some large language model. So to use this tool, at first, you need to create user, and it's just simple, straightforward way, just by putting email, password, confirm, and name. And if you already have user, you can use this user and put the password and click on sign in. So as you can see here, this is the interface that you get when you go to this application. We have some default screen, like for example, how to change the password. So you can change the password just by clicking on change the password, putting the old password, then the new password, confirm, and click on change. Now, if you want to convert some building regulation text into YAML, all what you need is just to click on this plus sign, and then you need to create a project. Let's call this project, for example, BCU underscore project, and then select your PDF. For example, here, I can select this PDF, which has, as you can see here, some regulation text, and then click on create. So what will happen now? As soon as you click on create, the request will be sent to our API gateway, and the API gateway will redirect this request to the AI, the large language model, and now the status on process. It takes around 15 to 20 minutes for one file, okay? For that reason, we can see, for example, the result of one of the previous file that we have already created. So here, for example, can click on view. And as you can see, this is the result as YAML. And then the user can rate the result. And we send this as feedback to the AI so the AI can improve the result next time. Also, the engineer can change anything here just by modify any text and then click on the save button. And finally, for any reason, if you want to cancel or delete any project, all what you need is just to click on delete and then confirm that, and that's it. So this is the way of using the RASE automation tool to convert the building regulation text into YAML format.